Hi guys, magi-English muna ako. Hello guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play Dandy's World. English lang to ha, English lang to. Magpa-practice ako ng English. Ayan. So today, what am I what am I gonna do? Yes. No friend servers. I'm just gonna move this here. Quick! Quick loading! Bilisan mo! Ay. ABC for Dandy 1, 3. Wow. No! I am not joining that one. Maybe someone could buy it. Someone could buy from Dandy. He sucks. Dandy sucks. Okay. And I am lagging. After I'm recording, I'm lagging. I'm not lagging. After I'm done recording, I might not lag. Or maybe it's just because of my phone. Joe, go, 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 go. Let's go. Okay, I'm just here to re- to, to show my gameplay, or just record and post it on YouTube. No. Uh, quick, quickie. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wait. Ah, Jinx. I'm using Yara. Yara. Yara or ano? Scraps. I'm using Glisten. I just bought Glisten. I know what is gonna come today. Come tomorrow. I don't know. I didn't think of it. I bought Glisten before Blood was gonna. I thought Blood was gonna come another week. So I'm lagging so bad. OMG. I am lagging so bad. I am lagging so bad. I am I'm lagging so bad. Oh my god. Or am I lagging? I might not lag. Lag. Am I lagging? The machine's glitching. Goob! Goob, no! No, Goob! Goob left or he died? I'm lagging. Oh my god, lag. If lagging was a job, I'd be rich already. Yeah, I'm gonna create like millions of money or billions. Infinite money. Go away, Boxy Boo. Go away. I don't want you near her. You are making me dirty. You are getting me. You're making this beautiful glass mirror so ugly. How? What? What? What did I get hit by? What did I get hit by? Louis? Louis? Did you hit me? I'm lagging. Oh my goodness. Did Louis hit me? Papi, what are you doing? Papi, what are you doing? Are you a starter? Papi! No, Papi, you're gonna die. You're gonna die! Oh, Papi's dead. What was Poppy trying to do? She tried passing go past the wall. She tried to make a shortcut level. Why did Basi? I meant Poppy. I'm lagging so bad. Oh my god. Oh, goodness, I'm lagging. Ooh, Battle of Pop. Ay. Can I have this battle? Can I have this battle of pop? Please, Glistan. Can I have? Can I have? Can I have, please? I'm lagging. Can I have Bop? Please. Oh wait, why did I collect that? Ano? Bas. Basket. I already have all Basi. Ano? Basi. Basi tunes. Basi shop to. All tunes on Basi shop. Easter shop. I don't know. Easter shop. Easter shop. Easter shop. I already have all skins and tunes on uh, Easter shop, but just not the vintage version. Yeah. Just not the vintage version. I can't do machines. I'm too laggy. Oh my goodness. Buxton is already at one. Buxton is already at one. How is that? Um, did y'all not see that? Shelly walked into the invisible wall. Oh, Astro left. How wow, we didn't notice. Nor. How did Astro leave? Nor. Slay Queen. Slay Queen. Slayer. Band. I banned. There's no band. There's no band-aid or med. Maybe Gigi can gamble. Maybe Gigi can gamble. What? What? Why is Gigi using those trinkets? They suck. These trinkets suck. Oh my goodness. Get out, Toodles. Get out, Paddles. Get out, Toodles. Buxton, you're gonna die. Oh my goodness. Buxton. This is my machine. Okay, my dad and my older brother just screamed at each other because I just wanted um noodles. Then my brother took out the whole pack of noodles because he wanted to eat. He wanted to eat all of them. Wait, what's that? Can I take it? Can I take it? Give to Buxton. Whoa, whoa! Why am I singing? I don't know how to sing. Vino! Oh, she gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. We gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. M-I-A-M-I. Running out of time. We gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I-A-M-I. Running out of time. Turn up the tempo. Turn up the tempo. Her name is Gabby. She's 10, she's my daughter. I know she was on this bus. She bought this ticket. Hey, listen, lady, it's been a long day. Like I said, she was not with us. I need a nap. We get there in time for the so much more. And in 2 hours, it's good luck, friend. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by good luck, friend? Why can I walk? I can't walk. What the frick? How can I walk around? Oh, Yara. We'll get there in time with so much. Still alive. Ha! Got a machine. Buxton bot because it's what a dandy run. Buxton, I think Buxton did not realize it was a dandy's run, or maybe he just didn't know. I guess I don't know, or maybe he just didn't know. It's a dandy's run. Okay, it's not daddy's run. Okay, it's not daddy's run. I'm not gay, but this gamer is. Do or go away, Yara. Go away, Pinara. Go away, stupid Pinara. GTE. GTE. I'm lagging. How much better now? Oh, my is 8%. I hope we can get through this. We can make it to floor 5. I'm low on battery right now. Ah, I'm gonna use my ability. Use my ability. Wait. I'm gonna use my teleportation ability. GTE, bitch. GTE. I need to use my ability. I need to use my ability. Where's my GG? GG. Wait, watch this. Wow, serious. GG died, I think. Probably. Yeah, probably. Huh? Nag-away kasi sila eh. Nagpaluto lang ako ng... Ha? Ako lang, isa lang. Gusto ko. Lagi. Oopsie. Flight is here. Flight. Go! We're cooked. We're cooked. Guys, we're cooked. Guys, we're cooked. Goob is here. Goob is here. Goob is here, guys. We're cooked. We are cooked. Shit. Goob, do not come here, I dare you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! Goob. Go away. Goob. Go away, Huggy Wuggy. Go away, Fruit Fly. Go away, Flutter Wannabe. Flutter Wannabe. Go away, Flutter Wannabe and Huggy Wuggy Wannabe. That's kind of true though. I mean, they're like, Huggy Wuggy has long arms. Maybe he can try. Grab people from afar. Fruit Fly, I dare you not to come in here. Fruit Fly, thank you. Thank you, Fruit Fly. You did not come in here. Buxton! Boxy Boo. Boxy Boo, no, you're gonna die. Don't do that. You're gonna die, bitch. Run, run, run. Buxton, you're dead. Buxton, you're dead. Buxton. How did I not die? How did he not die? Give us med. Give us heals. I need heals. Especially Buxton and Shelly. They need heals. They need heals. Buxton and Shelly need heals. Heals. Buxton and Shelly need heals. They're dead. Probs, they're dead. They're dead probably. Next for maybe V. Who's V? Please V, no. No footsteps. I hate you. There's no footsteps. I hate you. Wait lang. I have no sounds on right now. I have no sounds right now. Sounds on Roblox. I only have sounds on recordings now. I don't have the my sounds on Roblox is disabled right now, so I can't hear the footsteps. Maybe there are footsteps. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Tisha or shrimps. I'm saving you. I'm gonna save you, Baxi Boo. I'm saving you, Baxi Boo. I'm risking my life. I'm risking my life. Go away, Hipon. I risked my life for Buxton. And somehow I got lag. I hate you. Oh, her, how did I miss that? How did I miss that? How did I miss that skill check? It was so big. Bigger than a whole city, bigger than a multiverse. How did I miss that? Bigger than space? Bigger than the vacuum? How did I miss that stupid skill check? It's bigger than the world. It's bigger than the outside of space. It's bigger than the Big Bang. It's bigger than nothingness. Oh, Buxton died. I tried to save him. But, I saved him though. How did I? I literally saved them. Why did it die? La 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 la. I'm gonna use my ability. La 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 la. I'm gonna use my ability. Bye bye. I miss you. I'm gonna miss you, Shelly. Bye bye. JK. Decency or avaricus? Decency or avaricus? Avaricus? Ava, 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 huh? Avaricus? Ava, avaricu, avaricus? What? Wait, how much battery? 6% after Pisastro. Nor. Band. No. It was not a band. I'm dead here. Bye, guys. I might be dead here. Please no pebble. Cosmo, go away. Cosmo, go away. I want my first main. First main. Nor. Why? Nor. Go away. Go away. Go away, tissue box. Go away, Cosmo. Go away, chocolate cake roll. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you, Cosmo cake roll. Cosmo cake roll. Chocolate cake roll. Yeah, we don't care about those names. Those names are ugly. Ugly as hell. Cosmo's color looks like poops. Poops and dookie, diarrhea, wet poops. farts. It smells like feet. It smells like farts. Yeah. Probably he doesn't mold because he's a prototype. Oh, cause Shelly died. Bye bye, I'm gonna die though. She already left. Bye guys.